Well, it's a thoroughly miserable, cold, grey day here, and it's windy. So, today I was going to go out and just change my panel filter. For some reason it's got 4 stickers on it. I don't know why, but obviously I bought this previously on eBay. So this is the standard Kia panel filter. But what I'm doing today is I'm going to try one of these, what the hell brand is this again? Pipercross. Pipercross, that's it. That must be suffering from Alzheimer's. So anyway, this is the same size, as you can see, as the original paper one. So this one is what I'm going to put in and see if it makes any difference. Now, I think there's meant to be sort of ideas that will give you more power, more performance. I'm not expecting anything like that whatsoever. But anyway, if you don't know how to change your air filter, I shall now take you through it. So this will apply both to the standard air filter, the paper type, and then this Pipercross filter that I'm going to put in instead of the one that's already in place. That's that completed. I'll see if there's going to be any difference in performance, but I can't imagine there'll be any obvious noticeable difference in power. But if there is, I'll provide an update. If anyone's got a spare dyno machine, you can always give me a shout and I'll bring the car around and pop it on if you want. But I'm not expecting earth-shattering differences, and hopefully that one can be reused for a number of years by washing it and then re-oiling it. Okay, thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. Well, I'm back and it's the following day. It's a bit windier and it's more sunny today. Initial impressions with the Pipercross filter. I think it feels a little bit more less refined, the car. I'm not entirely sure if it's just like one of these things where I think it feels not as smooth as the original panel filter. But I'll keep my eye on it for the next week. I'll run it for the next week. If not, I'll maybe just put in the standard filter. But it just doesn't feel quite as smooth. But if anybody else has fitted a Pipercross filter, you might have some feedback that you'd like to provide. Anyway, it's time for lunch here. It's a nice sunny day today. It's the last day of February. I've been running around in the car for a few days now with the new air filter. I can't stop the front wheels spinning, rolling burnouts. There's been like a 300% increase in horsepower. No, only joking. I don't notice any difference at all with the Pipercross filter. Maybe if you put it on a rolling road, it makes a difference. I've not really checked to see if there's any change to miles per gallon, but it feels pretty much identical to the original standard paper filter. But I will update with any other news as and when it becomes available. Anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you.